for trading or for Fortnite? What are you guys doing?
Trading, trading, trading. All right, we're back live. Boom.
Did you trade AM this morning or no?
No, I missed it. All right. What's up, everyone? Yo, bring Nav on stream? What do you mean, bro? There you are.
Yeah, my headphones are dead, bro. Why are you spamming me like that?
Bro, I saw the last final moments of your headphones when I saw them blinking. I was gonna say
Yeah,
don't play copyrighted music because it doesn't push your stream out if you do that.
it's not copyrighted.
Bro, I heard Summertime Sadness by Lana Del Rey.
Um, Gangi. It's not copyrighted. It was not Summertime Sadness. It was a remix.
The remixes have the original song which is copyrighted. I'm just telling you for your benefit, brother.
Ah, bro, we good, we good. Don't worry. Yeah, I took this, but half size. All right, took this half size, literally just because we don't have the liquidity sweep. Doesn't really invalidate the higher time frame look, so that's why I'm continuing to take this. This is going to be like TP1 here for me. I'll probably move stops lower once we sweep these lows, so this is a good area to go BE.
You're turning gold right now.
Yeah, setup's pretty nice. I'm in short gold.
I want a long end queue
And
so that actually works out.
Yeah. Partial here. There we go. Here's the trade. See how we could do here. Holy shit. Gold. Holy shit.
Wait, what? What do you mean? I wanted to hop back on the stream. I got bored. Hold on, I'm gonna make a TikTok for you guys right now. Keeping green whole week on Asia. Gold, what the fuck? OMG, what a dump. Dance for us. Gold. You and Kifo should stream together. We are. We're literally in the same Discord call right now. I'm gonna make a TikTok after about the $300 account challenge. Cause gold and NQ they move opposite usually. Why doesn't it say you're live in Discord? I'm not live in the Discord.
Oh my god.
Yeah, NQ's about to put in a new high on the 4 hour.
Holy shit, guys.
Yo, are your headphones still off?
No, I can hear you. I'm on my phone. My headphones are dead.
I was saying NQ's about to make that 4 hour high.
That was a trade. Bro, I mean, come on, bro. Like, that was too good, bro. That was too good. As soon as we got in, literally as soon as we got in.
You already took profit on 2/3 of your POS?
Yeah, bro. I'm up fucking 1,500. I was up a lot. Holy, NQ pushing.
Yeah, NQ's about to make a new
NQ
high.
pushing now. You need a soundboard for the YouTube. Just play W's in the chat, bro. I know. I do need one.
You have the
Full
thing
recap,
to
please,
set
with
it
higher
up.
time frame. What'd you say, Shinobi?
You have a soundboard. You can just set it up. It's not that hard.
I know. I'll set it up eventually, one day.
We're about to put in a new high on this 4 hour. I might look to start shorting down to those equal lows.
We did. We already put in a 4-hour new high. All right, so
No, we didn't.
I'll break down this trade here for you guys real quick. I'm going to break this down one time for anybody that wants continued.
All right. So we have this set of equal lows here, guys, which is the 4 hour low. I think we come back down to that. I think we have to eventually. I'm going to look to short 63. Literally just altogether 63. I'm going to have a... Damn. 10-point stop loss. 63. Stop at 73. But I don't know. I don't know. I want to make it full time. How did you do it? Your first thing that you have to do if you want to take trading serious is like take all the money you make from trading and just save it. Don't be the idiots that are going out and buying Givenchy flex bracelets and bullshit like that. Take all that money and then invest it into something that's going to bring you income, whether that be an e-com store, whether that be, buying a percentage into a company or like franchising like a fast food restaurant. Whatever the case is, take that money and put it somewhere where it could generate you more money, and that's the best thing you could do. And that way you don't have to rely fully on trading. I don't think anyone should fully only rely on just trading. I think you should have other sources of income and investments as well. I think that's the best thing to do. Shinobi getting cooked in 4K? I'm green on the day, bro. What are you talking about? What's your biggest confluence? I don't really have a confluence at the moment. It depends when we get up to that level, I'll see a confluence. But we have SMT forming here. So honestly, this could just be the short here. We're leaving so many equal highs and lows on ES. It's actually disgusting. Are you waiting for it to hit the order block at short? Yeah. We low-key bottom ticked this at 39. We sold it here, but it pulled back and then went right back up. Yeah, I used the same bottom tick strategy in New York session. Why ES, not NQ right now? I'm on NQ. I'm just looking at ES over here. Thoughts on longing ES? I don't know. I wouldn't really recommend it at the moment. How do you find a setup once you enter the order block? Do you just get straight off the rejection? For the most part, yeah. Same stream, 10K. Bro, 10K is not enough for me to stream Jerkmate, bro. I would have to give up all my secret strategies. NQ's reject. It's because we're forming SMT with ES right now, so let's see what happens. But I would like for us to continue here so I could take a short. Are you in a trade? Not at the moment. I have a short limit here, though. I'd probably target. Honestly, that would be nice if we get all the way over here. Yeah, PA has been number one bullshit guy all day, man. All day. Literally all day it has been bullshit. What's good, Marco? I usually trade the open or I trade PM session. Do you trade in New York? Yeah. But I just don't stream it on here. Should I just do 5 mini for short right now? Why? Wait for the level. You already got you. I appreciate it, Darshan. Jerk me rank stream. That's crazy. You guys scare me sometimes. Have you ever traded gold? I have before. Apparently it's moving really nice today, but I'm personally not going to be trading it at the moment. Yo.
Yo.
Yo, I'm looking to short NQ here soon.
All right. Bro, I would NFA, but I would be touching more gold tonight if I was you.
I
Because
don't.
we have bullshit news in the morning tomorrow. So NQ, good chance it might be asked. Gold is going to be good, though.
Let's see what gold's up to.
I'm watching for more shorts on gold.
Gold just confuses me, though.
Why? Why does it confuse you?
I don't know the lot size and stuff on it.
Literally just pull out your RR tool. That's all you need to do.
Yo, don't tell me to whip out my RR tool, bro. I'll whip out what needs to be
Whip
whipped
it out,
out.
gang.
Dude, I'm not whipping it out because you asked me to, bro. That's weird.
What PDRAs do you use? Only FVG and IVG? No, bro. I use everything. Yeah, I'm gonna trade London, bro. My plan is to not trade New York tomorrow because New York is Chuz tomorrow. So I will be on for London. Where was the SMT with silver? Bro, go open your silver chart. You'll see SMT over here somewhere. Guaranteed. Do you trade gold any different than from NQ? Nope. Same exact system across any asset class.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
You're gonna trade petty stocks with fair value gaps?
Yeah, I might.
Matter of fact, I would love to see you do that.
Imagine it works.
That would be crazy.
How do you get $300 margin for one NQ on AMP?
You
What
have
do you
to,
mean?
when you do the live setup request, at the very bottom of like the checklist, it's gonna say special 300 margin. You have to click that.
Okay, when you do this, when you do the setup,
Would you recommend to go heavy on evals? Yes, I do recommend that. Why for a bad PA? We have non-farm something, employment something. Didn't know if you saw it in Discord. What's your Discord username? XVGX. Bro, Key steal all the viewers. Who in here is currently using Top Step? I use Top Step. It's not non-farm payroll. It's non-farm or non-farm employment. I didn't say it was non-farm payroll. Oh, it's unemployment claims. Tomorrow. Wait, no, today's gonna be good. Wait, hold on.
marks a change in state of delivery.
Yo, Key,
right?
why are you saying that tomorrow's gonna be chuzzed?
Because we have non-farm on Friday, brother.
Oh, we have it on Friday. Tomorrow we just have unemployment.
Yeah, I know, but the day before non-farm is like the day before FOMC.
Yeah, today's Wednesday, my dude. Wait, what the fuck is today, bro? Thursday? Dude.
You're confused, bro. Today is it just turned Thursday.
Yeah, I was about to say it was
So
just
tomorrow
Wednesday.
New York is Thursday.
Yeah, let's see. Bro, I hate the pre-NFP days. Is it AMP? I'm using AMP. They're really good at Chuz our fill, aren't they? They love doing that. No, we're in Thursday. Yo, guys, share the stream around. If you guys have any trader friends or like free Discord, share the stream around, bro. We get like fucking 1 billion viewers so I can show my affiliate. You get it. You get it. Shinobi, explain. Please explain what? How can we trade gold Apex doesn't allow? I'm pretty sure they allow it. It's MGC. MGC for micros and GC for minis. The PO3 indicator, it just helps you look at the 4-hour candle to see how it's forming. So if there's like no wick at the top or bottom, that's what you would target. For me personally, I just use it to see what the 4 hours looking like without having to go back and forth, just so I can overall see what the market's trying to do. It just helps me get an overall view of what's going on. Can we see a big move tonight? Probably not. But I'm going to be on for London session anyways. Yeah, I don't want to have multiple higher time frames. That's just like stupid. MGC doesn't work? It does work. I'm like 99% sure. Crody? Don't call me Crody, bro. What in the Toronto mans is that, bro? Crody, my gold futures doesn't work. You blast? You're able to trade gold futures? Oh, they made it so you can't trade GC anymore? I had no idea. What's your take profit for the trade? I'm not even in the trade yet, but it would be this low. We got to change the state. We got a 5-minute change in state, so I might look for a pullback to long possibly. What are your thoughts on Dodgy's new indicator? Honestly, I haven't even tried it out yet. Come to Stampede in Calgary? What's that?
Do you use macro windows?
Yo,
I mean, the times that I trade usually end up being macro windows.
yo,
What's good,
Keyflower.
Shinobi?
Look at the slut den.
Look at what?
Look at the slut den. Thoughts, comments, concerns.
Not usually something I would take, but you could try it. I don't. If anything, I would put your limit a little bit lower if you want to try that.
The only reason I was saying that is because you're looking to short gold, which means NQ should go up.
No, yeah, I know it will, but like we probably sweep those, right? So just put your limit just slightly lower, so you get a better entry. Like, don't put your limit exactly at the lows.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
I'm trying to see. Maybe the 15-minute wick could act as an entry. The one.
Wait, had I had
Look at. Oh, 1 minute order block. Look at Key. Look at the 15-minute local low wick that we put in. The halfway point of that is right under the equal lows at 35.75.
Okay, try it.
Giant.
We still haven't like really properly manipulated this 4-hour, so I'm just staying away from NQ.
Yeah, I'm just watching for now.
It's fucking retarded ass asset class right now. Yes, I'm live here every day, every day, every day, every day.
If we break this, oh no, I have to see. What?
There we go.
Oh, finally, the headlights stopped working. How are you gonna come get your car tomorrow? Did you think of that yet?
Yeah, don't worry, bro. I got it.
All right, bet. Because I was really hoping you
Felt
weren't.
like I was gonna ask you, bro.
Yeah, no, I was really hoping you weren't going to. Because I would have been left with no choice but to not pick you up.
Yeah, I'll cash in my favor later.
I already did you your favor. Your
No,
favor
no,
had
no.
a
That
20.
wasn't enough.
It had a 24. I did you your favor by making you that banner on your stream, that little banner that's popping up and down every 40 seconds. Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, yes, I'm live here every day.
The wick is already mitigated. Yeah, the wick is already mitigated, but we haven't had proper manipulation. Like, this is literally just remained as like an inside candle of this previous 4 hour. So we're trading inside of this 4 hour candle. And realistically, we need to break out, either sweep the high or low, and then we'll actually have a better place to go from there. The banner kind of annoying. Keep it static. How about you shut the fuck up, Nate? You know how hard it took me to animate that shit, motherfucker? No, I'm excited to see it fucking switch back to. Oh, he's promoting the free trial. Ready? Watch this shit. Watch this shit. How many more seconds until it fucking switches over? I don't know how long it does that for. Jonah, your trial ended. L, and you didn't stay? What an L. Play music? No. I don't like listening to music. You took the limits off? Yeah. I don't think we can go up there. I think we'll pull lower, and then from there we can long 35. Could I pay the monthly in crypto? We don't take crypto. Let's watch some YouTube Shinobi reacts. Bro, how about we trade and make some money? Like, why are we so against trading right now? Can you bless me with something money-wise? Bro, this eye snot show speed show. This is not eye show speed show. Does choppy PA affect your strategy? No. It's just it takes longer for us to get a setup. $434, so we're up like 1,200 on my top step. Wait, this is high show speed stream? Bro, chill, man. What else do you trade with order flow ICT concepts? Maybe. Nate, that's exactly what I was thinking. Not even 20 to 30 points. We're going to go to this low, barely sweep it, touch into the CE of this wick, and then we're going to bounce higher. And they're going for that 4-hour high. I think New York will be bullish. I don't know. I'm not going to trade New York tomorrow, most likely. So I'm not even worried about it. I always face problems while with making a bias. Question mark. So if you have a problem with making like a bias, just have an easier way of forming a bias, right? Just go do daily bias. Learn how to do that. I have a YouTube video on it too. Like sometimes it's PO3. You just gotta stick to one, right? Because obviously from that statement alone, it just tells me you don't have enough experience forming bias, which means you're probably not that much of an experienced trader yet. So just focus on daily bias and then move on to PO3, then combine them and then go from there. How long are you staying on for tonight? Probably till like London session. I think I'm trading London tonight. I'm gonna ask Luke if he wants to hop on. Luke Tran. Yeah, I think London session might be nice. Bro, do gold? How about no? I'm gonna trade NQ. I'm gonna trade what I like trading and what I'm good at trading. Turn my model to lower time frame so I get way more setups. It works great for me. Why not do the same with your models? I want lines too with you, but your time frames are too high and I want quicker. And do them as a lower time frame. Sure, but I mean, my strategies are all fractal, right? So you could trade them any time frame, but obviously the larger time frame setups have better chances of working out. Like I want quicker setups. I want quicker entry. Bro, you're a gambling addict. Calm the fuck down, you know? You thought unemployment will give us strong volume to push strong past high sales or past the highs sells. I think unemployment is we're gonna have to see what London session does. I want to see what we do within this range that we're in. So once we get out of that and then we see what the next 4-hour candle opens up as, that'll give us more so a direction of what we can do. When you started accepting the risk in each trade, did you end up getting better? Yeah, 100%. London starts at 3 a.m. for me. When you started accepting the risk in each trade, did you improve a lot? Yes. Because once you're able to accept the risk, the emotions are pretty much gone. I just don't like waiting hours for a trade to work. No one does, bro, but that's trading, bro. Sometimes you're gonna have to wait. So it's still Asia, yeah. Thanks for going live. I appreciate it. Yeah, for sure, bro. I appreciate you guys being here. My English just went completely fucking ass right there. I don't even know what I was saying. You in a position? Just got back on? No, not at the moment. I'm waiting for longs off that 15 minute. I want to see this 4 hour candle make a new low. And then I want a bottom ticket. No, London session starts at 3 a.m., bro. What was your breakthrough to becoming profitable? Was it just following your rules? It wasn't even that. It was me blowing my account, actually, and then me talking to a bunch of profitable traders. And one of them said, like, you're either going to learn from this and stop making the same mistakes over and over again, or you're going to be unprofitable, bro. And then I was just like, dude, fuck that, bro. I'm just going to be profitable. Like, and all it takes is just following your rules. If you guys followed your rules, followed your checklist, followed your strategy, you would be profitable. It's as easy as that. $21,600 15-minute order block. Yeah, that's like 200 points or like 150 points away. The market has literally been stuck in like a 20-point consolidation for the last, I don't know, 5 hours almost. You're going to be staying live till London Open? Most likely. Most likely. I think I'm going to have a long stream today. I already streamed a little earlier. We caught 2 plays. We top and bottom ticked, but I hopped off and now I'm hopping back on. What's the pair name? I think it's NAS 100. NAS 100. Why do you guys trade on MetaTrader 5 still? Adam, it's always quality over quantity, bro. Don't worry about other people. Stay in your lane, you know? Should I stay in and go to bed? Honestly, like if you have to be somewhere in the morning, definitely go to bed. stopping impulsive trading decisions. It's like a switch for me. After you make enough impulsive decisions to where you blow your account, you'll just stop making them on your own. I've had a model and I've been trading for a while and I see it work every day, but I'm always hesitant to take it and film win. That's just your mental barrier. You just gotta stop being a bitch, bro. If you see and you back test it and you forward test your model and you see it work out consistently, take the fucking setup, bro. Like, instead of like you're scared to take a setup you've seen work every day. Bro, what? What's good, Leo? Welcome to the stream. What lame price action? Bro, literally, it's been moving sideways, bro. Any new trades? Not yet. All right, guys, we started the 300 to 10K challenge today. It is currently almost at $500. Oops, I fucked up that. Currently almost at 500. Oh, fuck. Currently almost at $500. Did I say that right? Fuck! Currently almost at $500. There we go. English. We're live right now on YouTube, trading the $300 account. So if you want to join, go here on YouTube. I just be getting entertained. Keychain go jangling. All right, guys, we started the 300 to 10K challenge. Alrighty. All we need to do is add the Drake song. Jangling. I wanna do. Splooge, you said gay? Splooge, you're saying that after you splooged all over your charts yesterday or the day before when we caught some W's. You're the last person to call anyone gay, bro. I'm not gonna trade gold, bro. Oh, our longs. Fuck. Let me place these. Yo,
It's
Key.
right there up on the stream right now. Yeah.
Yo, it's almost time to hop in these logs.
Yeah, you're I'm not participating. I'm waiting for gold.
Oh,
so.
shit, it just filled me. It just filled me.
There you go.
Order filled.
Yo, you know what people were asking me?
What?
They were asking me why I didn't upload the DoorDashing series, and I had to tell them how you completely fucked up my entire
Yeah,
video.
no, just blame me. Don't ever take accountability for your own actions. Shut the fuck up.
No, I would never.
Bro.
I would never.
Yeah,
You fucked up my video.
Shut the fuck up. Wait, bro. Why did you change my... Bro,
What? What happened?
You changed my... Is this on NQ? Oh my god.
Can't even hear you, gang.
Bro, you fucking... Dude.
Fucking what?
You changed my freaking NQ to MNQ.
Who did?
You did on Top Step.
Oh, yeah.
And then my stop loss. Boom. Flip, dude.
What's the checklist? It's for my model.
Alright, I'm in. Let them eat cake. How about that? Stop loss is 726. Honestly, if it doesn't bounce from like 31, we're probably chuzzed. We're probably chuzzed if it doesn't bounce here. I'm risking around $70 on this trade. Wait, why is there two like TP things showing up? What? Let's see what happens. We might get chuzzed here, guys. We're probably going to get chuzzed here. Let's see. That you're allowed to draw down, clutched it into a past account? Yeah, plenty of times. When were you thinking TP? Let's get back in profit, but I'm thinking this the previous 4-hour high is what I want. I don't like that all my accounts have different entries. Oh, we almost opened that candle up inversing the 1 minute fair value gap. We didn't quite get it there yet. Yeah, that was weird. Let's see what happens. We're taking a riskier play here for sure. Especially now that we just broke a little to the downside. We're definitely taking a riskier play here. Because what we're betting on is that the market isn't going to continue out of this range, trade back into the range, continue back over the range, and go for the previous candle high. So we're fighting an uphill battle here. So honestly, I don't think this trade's going to do too well, especially because we immediately react and bounce off the level. So the fact that we're continuing down, we're probably going to get chuzzed here, guys. So just fair warning. If you're thinking about getting in or already in, like, you might as well just watch out. And be prepared.
Stop filled.
The stop filled on one of my accounts. It didn't fill on this one. No way. What's happening? I was looking to get shorts, but it edged my entry. Let's see what happens here. It's probably gonna stop us out here, yeah. Crazy. Is it gonna do it to us? Oh, NQ and MNQ are doing that thing where they're both moving different right now. Low-key 2550 doesn't look bad for longs either. This 4 hour just might manipulate lower though. Yeah. We're probably gonna end up doing that. We're probably gonna manipulate lower. And then go from there. Bro saying, come on, big dog. Shut the fuck up, bro. Twerk on stream when you hit a trade. This guy. Alright. At least we're still green on the day ski. On the accounts, account summary. What does show the P&L? Let's see what they do here. Well, win rate has your model like 50%. Why has my chart not had the big move yet? You're on delayed data. So you have to buy a trading view and get the data. My stop was 25.25. That shit didn't stop yet. Yeah, bro. I'm still in on one of my accounts. One of my accounts still hasn't gotten out yet, which is, I guess, a good thing and a bad thing. Let's see. The good thing about this, though, is if it retraces, we'll get an entry for short. Leo, you might actually hit that. I had a level at 2475. What is this doing? Overall, someone said, talk about the dark days of trading. Everyone has the same dark days, bro. It's cliche, you know? All it comes down to is following your rules and just being disciplined, bro. If you could do that, you'll be profitable. People overdo it. Like, oh, you need this. Doesn't matter what strategy, doesn't matter anything, bro. As long as you become disciplined and follow your rules, you will become profitable. That's literally what it takes. Obviously, easier said than done, but at the very core of it, that's what it is. Any advice on becoming disciplined? Yeah. So when you guys work jobs, right? And you guys have a boss and all that sort of stuff, what you guys don't understand is that you're constantly being told what to do and you do it because if you don't do it, you have consequence. If the boss tells you you have to be here at this time, blah, 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 and if you're not, there's going to be consequences, you're going to be there at that time every single day. With trading, you're your own boss, meaning, guys, low-key, I might try longs again. Off that inversion. Just having to stop here.
Order filled.
But there's equal lows. That might... On M and Q there isn't, on NQ there is. So it's a little weird. I'm trying longs again. I think I just had my entry a little off. I like that we inverse this 1 minute. If we could get a change in state, guys, if we get a change in state higher here, we should be good. Where's take profit and stop loss? I might take profit at 774.25 and stop loss at the low day here. All the way up there. The reason why, it's the previous, like right now, we're on an inside candle on the 4 hour, right? The previous 4 hour candle, we've reached the CE of that wick. I think we could continue higher, sweep this high at the very minimum before making another move. That's what I'm mainly looking for at the moment. All right, we got a 1 minute change in state. Are you serious? What is this price action, man? Nice move up. Finally. Are you engaged yet? No. What kind of stupid question was that? You missed back-to-back W's? Yeah. No, take these out. Just watch Shinobi because he's actually entertaining. Leo, that's good. What do you think about shorts at 740? 740 I don't really like. Hold on, guys. I'm getting a call. All right, guys, I'm back. My bad. I go on the phone for 2 minutes and you guys let the play go green to red. What the fuck? Just breathe. Yes, we can do that. I actually love that idea. What are you trading on? AMP futures. Is this NASDAQ? Yes. As you can see by over here. Only those go higher than BE, yeah. It's literally just moving sideways at the moment. We're taking what we could get here.
Time to be able to find the model
Yo.
that works for their personality. And number two is because they don't have their psychology right. So those are the two things that take the longest. It does not come easy. What's up, Shinobi?
Nothing much, just chilling. What you doing?
Somebody's telling me, what do you think about Shinobi's current long? You're in long?
Yeah.
From where?
33. I'm like break even right now. Stop at low day, so 30 tick stop loss.
I don't hate Shinobi's long. We have 2 a.m. opening in 30 minutes. I'm gonna wait till 2 a.m. But like I said, I am bullish overall. Towards the end of the week, I'm bullish into previous week high. It's just like, is it gonna play out tonight or not?
Bro, people were coming into my stream asking me about your shorts like earlier when I was streaming. And then I was like, bro, like, what do you want? Like, why do you want my comment on his shorts, bro? Like, people freak the fuck out. I'm like, yo, accept the risk and then call. That's it, bro. Accept the risk on the trade.
I wasn't even short on NQ. I
on gold. Yeah,
I banked on them.
I know, but they were like coming in. They were like, yo, what are your thoughts? What do you think of gold shorts right now? And I'm like, bro, like, we're on the same Discord call. Like, you guys are doing way too much right now.
Yeah.
Shit's too funny, bro. I took a small stop, a 10-point stop loss. Then someone had the audacity to tell me, they were like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. What do you mean, bro? It's 10 points.
Come on, bro. How dare you take a stop loss? You stupid?
Nah, bro.
What's wrong with you?
That shit low-key got me tight. I was like, bro, like, 10 points, bro. Like, I can't have that anymore.
I'm still in gold short. Should I keep it or remove it? I don't know. I'm waiting for 2 a.m., bro. Do what you want. I'm bearish on gold. I'm bullish on NQ. Yo, this song is fire. Oh my god. Hold on.
Oh my god.
This is another add to the playlist. Hold on.
Damn. I might have to start. If YouTube's not taking down your stream, I might play my shit. Fuck it.
They're not.
Fuck it. I'm gonna play my playlist.
But I'm not playing, like, I'm playing Chris Luno, and this guy, none of these are copyrighted, so he's not about to copyright me, but I'm giving him so much clout.
Bro, have your past streams gotten demonetized?
Nope. None of my streams are monetized, gang.
None of mine are either, but like it's like that's what happens.
Put me onto the playlist. This is Berlin Rooftop Melodic House Remix. This guy's on a rooftop in Berlin while the sun is setting. Mad beautiful, playing house music, but it's such a vibe.
When y'all drop the soap, do you guys turn around when you're picking it up? Yo.
Can you show how you? Yeah.
Guys, I'm not giving my guys. Stop sending in bids for my chart colors. You guys are not getting them, bro. I just turned down a $700,000 offer for my chart colors. Bro, what is this PA, bro? What the fuck? I hate that shit. It's just dumping? It's gonna pump trust? No, I trust. Yo, Victor, you post that again, you get banned, bro. The chart colors are not allowed to be shared. Yo, Hustler, you got some
Stop filled.
crazy fucking... What the fuck? I only had stop loss on one? Yo, what's going on? What the actual fuck's going on? What the hell? What the helly? What the helly? What the helly? Bro, my one account still hasn't fucking stopped out of it. What the helly, chat? What do you mean you took a stop loss? Bro! What the fucky? No, literally, bro. On my other account, it was one tick away. It still hasn't hit. On one of my accounts, it still hasn't hit. Yeah, I think we should just wait for 2 p.m. open. I think that's... Or 2 a.m. open. I think that's the move.
Gold, big dump, big dump.
Big dump on NQ as well.
Yeah, a bit weird.
Yeah.
And gold's gonna keep dumping, so they're just kind of moving the same right now. See how this goes. We got about 20 minutes left till 2 a.m. Should give us a nice trade.
What the helly Barry? What the heliante? This shit pissed me off. I can't lie, for real. Dude, same. What the helly Burton?
For the CSD candles, do you use wick/body? Body. Always body. What the helly Burton? What the helly Burton? Yo, just wait till 2 a.m. We made a 15-minute fair value gap here on NQ.
Yeah, I was peeping it.
That'll probably play out at 2 a.m.
I was peeping it, brother.
That I might actually take it.
I will probably be taking it.
Yeah, I know. I see gold tapping into the bullish 15-minute fair value gap here. I'm watching it.
Yeah.
Interested to see what it does here.
You know what would be nice? If we sweep the previous 4-hour candle low, manipulate into that fucking... Or no, if we edge the previous 4-hour candles low, 2 a.m. opens, we go into that 15-minute gap, short it, hold it down to the 4-hour candle, previous 4-hour candle low, boom. I think we need to legalize heroin.
Wianko, what's good, G?
Yo, Key, what are our Fortnite? While we wait.
No.
Bro, you literally are a piece of shit. Shinobi, do you love us? Yeah, guys, I love you guys. Except for the part where you guys start spamming my address. That's a little bit weird. Other than that, it's pretty fucking lit. Yo, murder's back. Yo, chat, do we fucking do we time out murder again? Yo, Murder, give us. You have 1 minute to tell us why we shouldn't ban you or shouldn't time you out. Murder, what murder? All right, fine, you stay on ban, but that's a weird ass name you got there, pal. Bro, unironically calls himself Birdier. Harry, I'll let you know when to bring down the ban hammer, bro. I'll let you know. You're coming to my house. Please make something to eat. You guys are tripping ball sacks, bro. Straight up. Bro, I know why we were red, bro. My fucking light isn't turned on. There we go. Then I gotta fix this. There we go. Buy extra shiznit to, bro. It's like 20, like what, $14? $41. It's like a one-time thing. You'll be fine. A level in 2 hours. I've gotten an A level. I don't know what that means, bro. Possible long 693. I don't really see anything there. Our time frame job on liquidity session by session. It's just about market context, you know? So I'll break it down for you guys. So on the daily time frame right now, right, what we're looking at is seeing how the market reacted. Where are we in the charts, right? So here at least we're seeing that we have a fair value gap here, but we have a higher one. So currently we have not traded into the furthest PD array, so we can't really expect ourselves to reject from here because it's just in the middle of nowhere. Then we move on to, or you start on the weekly chart. We're headed for previous week's highs most likely, right? We go into the 4-hour time frame. We look here. In order for us to continue higher, what we would have to do is sweep this candle's low, sweep it, and then go for this high, right? Then you go into a 15-minute time frame. Now we see, okay, we have a 15-minute fair value gap here. We should trade into that, reject, then come back down here, then go long. Something of that. Let's go, Razzie, Razzie.
Shinobi,
Yo,
I longed gold.
I was about to say I have a short limit on NQ at 745.50. 5-minute unicorn, 15-minute fair value gap, and then the 1-minute chosen to Luz.
Yeah, not bad.
Are you gonna take that?
I'm in gold long, so we're basically in the same trade.
I'm not in shorts yet. It's got another 10 points to go before I get entered.
What time frame? This is the 1 minute you guys can see down here. Do you trade live capital or fronted? I trade both, but this is a live account here. This is my Ninja Trader live account. How do you manage emotions with such size? I mean, I'm net green on this account by over $6,000, right? So like, at this point, it's just profits. It won't bother me at all.
He did some
I tried to
off-stream
limit order
mining.
to avoid shit fills. I don't know if it's a limit. No, bro, you're gonna get shit fills right now. I just got a dog shit fill. Yo, Shinobi use. Actually, he is using limit orders. I got absolutely dogged on, bro, on my slippage. I got slipped like 7 ticks, bro. So ass.
Can you tell me how to use it on London, Asia, New York session? What and how to use? They're just different sessions trading different times of day. So Asia is when the Asian markets are open. London is when the London people are trading, and then New York is the New York session. Like, what do you mean what and how? You could honestly take that exact question, put it into Chat GPT, and there will be a much more concise answer, way faster. That's key flow. Hold on, guys. I'll be back in a second. Yo, guys, I just went and put some chicken nuggets in the air fryer. Just remind me in like 20 minutes to go get them out. Can we get that as a reminder in the chat? You guys copy? Dino nuggies? No, it's like one you would put between bread. It's not like chicken nuggets. It's like chicken fillet, I guess. But yeah, remind me at like 2:20, guys. I have the temperature low. I have like a really big like bad experience with chicken, like frying chicken, because one time I bro, I made chicken and it came out raw. So I just overcook my chicken every single time. Like I make sure like where the sides are borderline burning. Yo, by the way, guys, 2 a.m. open is about to happen. So we should get a move higher. Bro, this fan is fucking my shit up. Do you have a different trading style or key? Yeah, me and him, we trade similarly, but it's still different. Guys, if we take out this low, I'm gonna remove my sell limit. Let's see what this 2 a.m. candle does. Let's hopefully get a top tick, crazy trade, and then call it a day early. He's got the flow model. What does Shinobi have? I don't trade a specific model. I don't know why people are like so head over heels over like, oh, what model do you trade? What model do you? I don't have a specific model like that. It's more discretionary than anything. Only 2 minutes left. Do you have a high win rate or most of my average risk to reward is 5-1. Leo, stop trolling, bro. My win rate's a little lower. It's only like 30. It's not 30. It's like 40 to 50% win rate, but my average risk to reward is like 5-1. Yo, today's stream feels mad different, bro. None of the regular fellows are on today. You don't trade New York anymore? I won't be trading it tomorrow, but I usually do trade New York. I only traded with the Discord. I just go live during Asia. because no one else really streams in Asia. So you only have to win one to even be in profit. Yeah. What's your best trade? It was GME in 2021 or RNG in 2021. One or the other. You guys know what's crazy? This account didn't get stopped out at all. And it's green now from our original fill. And it had a 1 point more stop. That's crazy.
Here's 2 a.m.
Let's see what happens.
Why'd you say it hella zestily?
Bro, dude, sometimes I just like to add a little spice, you know? 2M didn't do shit.
Watch that 741.25 on NQ.
Yeah, but if you go on the 5 minute, you see that it's at 45.50. There's unicorn setup.
Yeah, I like 45.50 as well. Both of those I like. I mean, if you enter 41, it would cover it, but yeah, I like 745 too.
Where should I keep him? You think 41's better than 45 just in case?
10.
All right, let's try it.
Yeah, it'd be crazy if gold pushes up here, guys. It does need to manipulate this 2 p.m. So obviously we know it needs to go higher at some point. If NQ keeps dumping, you gotta long this shit. I don't know where from though. You don't see gold push back up. Yeah, I want us to go up on gold so I can get another short. NQ, you gotta long this shit, bro. NQ's an easy long up into this 2 a.m. high. I don't know where from. I wouldn't long it yet, but
There's no place
at
to
some
long it
point.
right now. Into 41.25, that's a free ass short in my opinion.
41.25 is a free ass short. So is 40. I mean, 41.25 and 45.5 literally 4 point difference, so it's not anything crazy.
Yeah.
No way, bro. This gold trade's about to come back to my BE, bro. Crazy work. I held. Let's go. Let's gas. Account saved. W. I'm shorting NQ. Good luck. That shit's going up.
What kind of indicator is that big candle? This is the 4-hour PO3 by 2 degrees. It's HTF power 3 right here.
Cooked.
There we go. There we go.
Big ad Drake up.
T, did you deposit the 300 into your trade of it?
No, I didn't.
All right. Well,
But I can withdraw my money at any point, and I'll have 300 bucks in it, so it'll be all right. You cut the trade. Yeah, I got stopped out on gold, but for anybody that was in micro, like MGC, it didn't take the low, so it's still in.
Good night, Justpreet.
Yeah, shout out to you if you took NQ short, bro. You were actually liquidated. I'm telling you, it's going up. I literally said long this shit. Or any. Yeah, I think shorts are definitely the play on NQ. Shorts are for sure the play on NQ.
Dude, that
Let's actually
5-minute
watch.
unicorn looks good as fuck for shorts. Why, bro, so negative? What do you mean?
Watch this on NQ. I'm gonna be looking to get this in. I don't like that song. Skip. My GC and Sierra charts did not take the lows. Not sure how I did that on TradingView. Yeah, it did it on my NinjaTrader and TradingView, so I don't know. Gold is pushing. I'm really not sure where I would reshort gold at. I think we need to make some 15-minute structure. I didn't get stopped out on gold. Would you hold? Yeah, dude. Yeah, I would. Wow, bro. Gold back to my B. Fuck. It's tough. It's all right. Got to take it to the chin and move on. But for you guys who are in it, congrats. Yeah, not the 15-minute OB. It already delivered. Oh my God, gold green. Wow, bro. Let's go. For those of you guys who are in. I would continue holding gold if I was you guys. I really don't know where this could manipulate from besides that 15-minute BPR, which is kind of high now. So manage your trade on gold. I'm going to be watching this on the side, but mainly want to watch NQ right now. I'm cold on gold.
Shinobi, you know Alex G, yeah.
Can you explain why your bias on NQ is long? It's long into this 15-minute gap, and then it's short from there. But overall, my bias is long on NQ. We're kind of just chop festing right now on NQ, though. 21,747. Yeah, if you're in shorts, 21,747, you'd be all right.
Bro, 2 a.m. was supposed to be magical.
NQ shorts all the way down to yesterday's AM lows? No, way too ambitious, bro.
Way too ambiguous, man.
It's not a 30-second delay. It's like a probably 10-second delay or less, but it'll be fixed for the next stream.
But that's why I'm having these issues. Tradeovate take a while to activate eval accounts. Not usually. Oh, dude, shout out, yo, Key. Ah, he's fucking deafened. Yo, shout out to Festus for reminding me of my fucking chicken, bro. Shout out to you. You are goated.
Oh my god, gold, bro. Nasty. Nasty pump here on gold. Yes, I only trade this model. I have one other model that I'll trade from time to time. But I can't tell you guys about that one. Long gold on the 5-minute VPR? No. Not looking at long gold. I'm looking at short gold. Definitely looking at short gold at some point here. I don't know where exactly, but at some point we will short gold. I made 8K on a long Monday. It was because of your bias, man. Hell yeah, bro. I'm glad somebody caught that trade. I will short NQ once it comes up into this 15-minute gap. That's what we're waiting for. I'm not going to get in yet. Would you be break aiming at that swing high? Yes, I would. Because that swing high is lining up with midnight.
All right, yo,
so
chat.
definitely go break even.
If we break this low day, I'm removing my limits. Yo, guys,
Yeah, same.
remind me again in like 7-ish minutes I have to go grab my chicken because I had to put it back in for a little bit because I undercooked it. Yo, okay, if we break this low, I'm gonna remove my limits.
I know, I said same.
You stay hopping on the homeboy's way, bro. You stay hopping on my way, bro.
What's the longest that amount of time New York has been trashed since you've been trading?
It's ask a lot of
Now.
times. Even when it's good price action, it'll be good price action for like 2-3 days in a row, or like a week, and then it'll go back to being ass. But
Yeah.
you just gotta learn to navigate it.
You gotta learn to do some land navigation.
That's why I got a Land Cruiser.
Wow, I see what you did there.
Get it? Land Navigator, Land Cruiser. So it's like you can navigate and cruise at the same time. Why does it have to be one or the other? Air fryer merchant, air fryer specialist, air fryer demon. That's crazy.
Bro, if GC pushes up to that 15-minute BPR, that would be perfect. But I don't know. I feel like it's a little far.
To be
I
honest,
think it's a little deep.
if
know if
NQ
we get it.
chuzzes me out of the century, I'm gonna switch to gold. But apparently, you can't trade gold on Apex anymore.
Should be able to. It's futures. Try it. Just go long MGC real quick. Just see if it works. Like one micro. Let me know if it lets you.
I'll check it out. Which MGC is it?
Just MGC. It should be MGCQ.
MGC Kiao. Let's try it.
Did it work?
I'm about to try right now.
Order filled.
Oh, it worked.
Order filled.
Yeah, you're good.
I bet. Type shit. Oh my god, are we taking out low day here, bruv?
Yeah, NQ is doing absolutely fuck all. We're gonna watch GC again. I don't know if gold gets the 15-minute BPR though, I'm not gonna lie. Seems kind of unlikely.
Yep, we
A
just
little
broke.
deep.
We just broke low day. I'm canceling all my limits, canceling all my limits, canceling all my limits, canceling all my limits, canceling all my limits.
MNQ did not break low day somehow, some way. I want to see if gold can get above midnight, and I would love some shorts up there.
You would love that shit, huh?
393, huh? Yeah, 393. Like that's lining up perfectly with midnight, so could be good.
Where's this 15-minute BP? Oh, I see where it is. I see it, you sneaky, sneaky man.
Like, low key, I'll be really surprised if it gets up there. But I'll still look to potentially short in there.
Or you could low-key short that, that's not really an order block. $396.2.
Explain what I mean when I say midnight. Just the midnight open level. This blue level right here.
Yo, it won't let me right click on my tool and set up my thingy.
Why?
My order. I don't know, it's not letting me.
Just put up the tool and then yeah, right click and create limit order.
It doesn't let me.
What does it say?
Nothing, it doesn't show it.
Like, does it not give you an option to create
Oh,
limit
you wanna
order?
know why I can't trade it through AMP?
Oh. Yeah, you can only do it on Apex.
Oh well. Everything works out anyways.
Yeah, this 15 minutes should go red to green here on gold. Like that. And it should continue.
Yo, Key, draw out that 1 minute and then go to the 15-minute again.
Hold on.
Hold on, my chicken should be done. But look at that 15-minute gap again for NQ. We might get another opportunity. Might get another op. Op is short for opportunity, chat. Yo.
Yo.
You peep what I was telling you to peep?
Yeah, my live stream just got copyrighted.
Oh my god! What did I tell you?
Wait, hold on. They're bringing it back right now.
Yeah, but I told you to chill out on that and you didn't want to listen to me.
Oh, we're back?
Wait,
Alright, bet we're
My
back.
live stream just got.
Bro, the ops were fucking.
you're
the
back.
ops got me, bro. The
Yeah,
ops got me.
next time you listen to Shinobi, all right?
Shut your ass up, Shinobi.
Oh
now we're gonna have to sit here and listen to Shinobi, bro. Fuck.
Yeah,
Cooked.
you should have listened to me. But anywho, are you looking at that 15-minute? Are you looking at that 15-minute?
Yeah. Yes, kid. Yes.
Where are we shorting this shit at? 41?
We just hit. Yo, guys. NQ is inside of the 15-minute gap.
I'm shorting 41. 41, stop at 51.
See if we can get a setup in here. I like 41.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Please just let me catch a banger here and then just call
Stupid
it a day.
fuck. What's wrong with you? Oh, this is NQ. Oh, you want to know why? Bro, NQ and MNQ have divergence at the lows, bro. Cooked.
That's crazy work.
So cooked.
That's so chuzzed. This is probably gonna be my
Yeah.
last trade of the night, TBH. Guys, key flow's good. The stream's kind of quiet.
Yo,
What do you
bro, we can't play, guys. We can't play any more damn music, bro. I gotta play no copyright sounds now. Hold on, let me go to no copyright sounds.
Play elevator music where they're like, you gotta play the Moonbeam Ice Cream. That
we
shit.
gotta have some sort of background music, right? Like,
Loki, just hire a live band. Yo, no way it's gonna edge 41, right? No way it does that, right?
no, there's a way. That's the thing.
No, there's the thing is there's no way they do that to us, right? After making us wait this long.
What happened to bro that was shorting NQ? He's probably cooked and liquidated beyond measure right now. We do have SMT here with ES. You never had any issues before? Why this time? I don't know, bro. I have no idea. Gold is still pumping. All right, we should be all right. I mean, we're good. We're chilling, but no more music. Somebody copyrighted us and ruined it. Yeah, I know. I'm taking a look at GC, gang. I know.
Order filled.
I
I'm
got
aware.
filled. I got filled. I
I did not.
I didn't get-
did not.
I didn't get filled on like 3 other accounts. I only got filled on
Yeah.
2.
I didn't get filled on my toss effects.
Me either.
Lip. That's annoying. All right, guys. We're going to be looking for NQ. Here's the change in state down here. See if we can grab that.
Bro, it only filled on my Apex PAs and not on my top step X. And not on my top 1.
Yeah, this would be the area to sell NQ, not down where we were. This is a good area to sell. Like up here in this gap would be a good area. So now I'm really just waiting for a change in state here, and I'm in. Wow, gold at midnight, guys. Whoever stayed in the gold trade, I would go break even here.
Yo, guys, once this 1 minute inverse happens, I'm gonna
Unreal, bro. I actually got
dude,
chopped.
that was literal top tit. Oh my god, that was literal top tit. You can feel the pain in Key's tit right now.
Okay, can you stop saying stupid shit like that, bro? Zero aura.
Dude, I don't give a shit, bro.
All right, here we go. Here we go, gang. I'm getting ready to get in NQ here. I'm in. I actually did not get fucking absolutely chopped cheesed on the fill there, so appreciate that, NQ. Thank you. All right, gonna try this out here. Let's see what we can do. I got a quick stop loss. This is what, 7-point stop? Why are we pushing towards the stop like that? Chill out, NQ. Thank you, please.
I want to have my
set the
stop
target,
break
like,
even.
this low here.
It's testing the change in state.
I'm actually really I was actually so confused on why I was only down $200 on 3 minis, and then I realized I'm only down 3 points. The range is hella small, bro. Range is super small. Yeah, whoever's holding gold longs, you guys should be super up right now. Super fucking up right now. We hit the break-even point, so go break even on your trades. If you're in on gold. I'm just waiting for an area to short gold, like reshort it. It might have to be at that BPR, to be honest.
Oh, these candles look so ugly. Ew.
Yeah, I don't know. This is crazy push. That actually gnarly wick right off the SL. Absolutely gnarly wick.
I'm going to keep my 40 tick stop loss on the accounts where it filled me top tick.
How many points? Yeah, 7 or 8 point stop. 8 point stop on NQ. BE is down here.
Use the magnet and hammer. I got you guys. I'll pull out the forbidden tactics.
MNQ and NQ, bro. What's with the weird ass divergence, bro? So dumb. I don't know why it's like that. MNQ had higher low there. Or yeah, higher low at the lows. NQ had lower low. Super weird. 25-point SL? Hell nah, bro. I'll like maybe I consider retrying this. Most likely not. If this stops me out, most likely do not retry it here. All right, stop filled. Not retrying that trade.
I'm letting
Even
my
though-
original 10-point stop do its thing.
Yeah, not I. I shall be waiting to see what exactly this thing does. Maybe this is the low and we inverse? Potential. I'm going to try one more trade, whether that's on gold or NQ, and then I'll call it a stream after that. One more trade. Either or.
Yo, guys, the hammer method doesn't work. We need new emojis.
If we inverse this 15-minute gap, I'm easily looking for some longs. And then I'll call that as my last trade. I think if we can catch longs here on this inverse of this 15, this could potentially be low a day.
I'd have to concur.
Like, that's a trade I could hold up to previous day high with some size.
I concur as well.
Yeah, gold. There really isn't much of an entry here for me on gold, though. I know I see what it's doing. I just can't get an entry. Like, gold is gonna go lower. I'll tell you guys that right now. Gold is gonna go lower, but I don't have an entry, unfortunately. Do I have to sit out on it? I gotta wait. Your SL is very small. Yeah, it's meant to be small, bro. Nah, I think if that short didn't work out, I don't know if it'll do it. I think better chance that it just goes up in inverses.
Guys, I'm stacking heavy animal emojis on top of the chart so it comes down. And then we'll hammer it down with the other emoji. We'll throw a bear here too. And then we'll give the bear a hammer. We'll give the whale the hammer. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the forbidden strat. Try plates to make it crash down. Fuck, you're right. Where's the airplane emoji? Come on, we need this fast. We need this fast. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Come down. Yo, someone better fucking clip this shit. This shit is fucking hilarious. Guys, this is what they won't tell you in that $5,000 course. It's working. Maybe if the airplane stays in flight for longer, maybe if it comes from a different direction. Boom. You guys see that? So the thing is, it came up with aggression, came all the way up here, switched, and then boom. We'll put the plane in there because the plane's crashed down. Wait, where's the boom emoji? Is there a boom emoji? Magnet. Magnet to the downside. So the way you guys got to use this one is the bigger the magnet, the better, but the smaller, the more precise. So we want to, at this low, you just wave it around here. It's like, hey, come here. Come to this low. All right? So that's how you get it to come down. When you're looking over here, you got to threaten the price to do what you want it to do. So you get the boxing glove, you punch that shit down. Boom, boom. And then this is a combo they won't tell you. Ready? Oh my gosh, Shinobi, why do you have so many emojis? First thing, everyone knows the hammer strat. Everyone knows the hammer strat. The hammer strat, all right, it's cool, it's not, it's whatever. Now you put a whale on it to make the price heavy and make it go down. And then you put the bear there to like scare it from going up, and then you send the plane. The way to send the plane in is you send it from the bottom, then you change directions, and then you have it come down. You bring in the boxing glove, punch that shit down, and then you wiggle around the magnet. All right, that shit pissed me off. Yeah, dude, the hammer strat doesn't work anymore, guys. Shinobi, you fasting today? Nah, I got my sandos right here. My little chicken sliders I made. Might I add, this 1 minute is atrocious. Hold on, bro. I need a second airplane. Yo. They just hit the second candle. That's hilarious.
What?
I just used the forbidden jutsu on the candles. It should go down.
Rob's. Oh,
You're just saying that because you had a late entry and then got stopped at the high, bro.
bro.
Let me live, bro. Don't do that fake laugh when we ever get. You just go, eh. What the fuck? This fucking weirdo, dude. Yo,
What, dude? What?
Yo, stop acting like you're not happy to see me, bro. I'm the only one keeping you company.
What is it?
Am I seeing that you're red on the day right now?
$200, yeah.
Yo, bro, slide me your Venmo, bro. I got you. Yo, they're telling me to call JP.
I'm permanently banned on Venmo, gang.
Yeah, that's why I said it.
cooked.
Yo, they told me to call JP. Should I make the boss call?
Yeah, go ahead and make the boss call, bro.
Hold on, let me call my Jewish quant. Let's see if he's up.
He's not.
Don't worry, I have several Jewish quants.
All right, we got no copyright sounds on.
Hold on, I'm gonna call my second Jewish quant.
Oh wait. Yo.
Yo, hey Jewish quant.
What's up?
Yo, can you make the market go down, please? Me and Key need it.
Yeah, give me like 2 seconds. I'm just taking a shit real quick, so let me head on back to the setup.
All right, bet. Just max leverage short it. Preach.
Yeah, no worries.
All right, yo, Key, I called my Jewish quant. He said he's taking a shit. He'll send it down in a second.
All right, bet.
Bet. Guys, the Drake method doesn't work anymore. We learned that the hard way.
What is DIFC? What is DIFC, Shinbubi?
District and Fort Control. I don't fucking know.
Somebody in my chat is working NASDAQ security in DIFC.
Dubai International Financial Center.
All right, yo,
Okay.
buddy, head on in there and start emptying the clip.
Empty.
Now.
Empty that shit. Who's the richest motherfucker you got in your contacts? Umar Ashraf.
Buddy, you forgot key flow trades, homie.
Yo, bro, dude. 2018. There, I'll leave it at that, bro.
18, more like 2021.
No, it's not 2020. Wait, are you talking about mine?
Oh, okay. I was
Oh
lost a
no.
little bit.
Yeah, no. I was talking
Where was that
about
from?
your old ass car.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, as bro drives a Tesla. You drive an egg, bro, Mr. Patel.
Yo, bro, dude, ask me. You know what, bro? I'm not a man. I don't care about materialistic things, brother.
Now you don't care.
I gave up. I mean, you
Yeah,
could love
bro,
consumerism all you want, bro. I'm just not a
bro
part of that
had a-
life.
Bro had a $15,000 Chrome Hearts bag inside of his Tesla. You're cooked.
You know what's crazy?
Actually,
That bag costed half of what my car costed.
Yeah, you're cooked. No, I'm not in a trade, bro. I'm literally just showing you guys this. I'm tape reading it. Not in a trade.
Cancel me all you want. I'm not in a trade. You get it,
How
bro.
come the 4-hour candle closure on gold is 1 hour behind when trading FX? Because that's how Forex is. Forex is 1 hour behind. Unfortunately, Forex is poopy.
Yo, people are asking me TP. The trade is up $5. Like, let's Let's get out. Let's get more than $5 of profit before you start worrying about how much we're up or down. Once we take out these equal lows, relative equal lows at the lows here, the 4-hour candle low, that's a good time to go break even.
Is Shinboob just not into cars? Yeah, he's not. He's like into nothing, bro. He's into like knives and shit. He's got the most inconspicuous fucking hobbies in the fucking world, bro. Like you'll never. At one point, this guy's hobby was like tying fucking colorful knots around his knives and fucking pens and journals, bro. I don't know. Dude's a weird fella, bro. Never met some guy like him before.
Bro, he says this, but like literally yo, you guys should have seen it when he was playing with my knives yesterday, bro. He goes to my couch and just starts stabbing the shit out of it with one of my knives. I've never seen this guy more free and chalant in my entire life.
I mean, yeah, but like, you don't use your knives for that purpose. You use your knives for like, well, not the intended purpose. I don't know what you use your knives for.
To like cut like a fucking popcorn bag open or some shit. See,
Yeah,
like I should have said that,
see,
bro.
that's what I'm saying. Like $600 knife to cut a popcorn bag open. Are we dead ass? Like,
Yo,
this
guys,
is the hobby?
peep the
Come
knife
on,
though. Peep the knife. It's got 1970s micarta. It's Archer 2 by Tactile Knife Company. I got that one.
Okay, yeah, bro. I'm gonna head on out over here. I cannot listen to this any longer.
And then I got this 1970s Mariner 2 by Bob Chirzula.
What's this?
What's the best / most expensive one you have? So, here, let me mute myself for key. So, this one is the Archer by Tactile Knife Company. It's made of titanium.
Looks like it's playing out. Yeah, it looks like it is.
It's got like a really nice...
This would have been such a better trade than this.
They only made 25
This is just my rules. I would never, ever in a million years round trip the second trade. Never.
And
not
then
gonna
add
happen.
the inlay. It's the same model as the last one, but basically
Getting into trades you're not sure about is the meta.
get a Sofort. I have a Olight.
Nah.
And then watches. I have this Rolex Yachtmaster.
Gold, bro. I wish gold would give me an entry here.
I switched out the band to be
some point,
blue,
like,
so it looks like
Really
more
trying to
playful
get
watch.
an
I have more
entry
watches
gold
in my watch box, but it's all
for
over there.
short.
Oh, and this one's the Mariner 2 by Tactile Knife
If you
Company.
jump back and then Q short, yeah,
It's
zero
1970s
chance. It's
micarta
happening,
again.
bro.
Dude, these
Zero.
knives are sick.
Literally zero chance.
And then I have 2 of the Benchmade OTFs Infidels. These are sick. But I don't ever use these because these are illegal in New Jersey. And then you got your like regular like pair 3, regular schmegs. I got like really crazy pens, but I don't feel like showing those right now. Yo, Key, show him what you be collecting, bro.
Collecting?
Yeah.
I don't collect anything, bro. What
Yo,
are you
one
talking
day,
about?
guys, I open up Keyflow's drawer, bro. Big ass box of Magnums, bro. This guy collects them shits, bro, because there's no way that's wrapping around his cock, bro.
Fuck is wrong with you, bro? What is actually? Yo, you have. Yo, you have problems, bro. What do you think of a short for GC? I like short. I just there's no entry here.
Why do you guys think he likes gold so much, bro? Reminds him of his favorite condo. Oh my god. Someone said they collect account breached emails. That was pretty funny. Sofern Q8. Is it made in America? I like American made shit. America. 2-minute inverse entry here. Yeah, I mean, it looks like we're gonna continue lower. I think he just got unlucky with his stop out.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna round trip the same trade, so I will sit here and watch it if it dumps. Jorge C, where's the music? You must have missed like 15 minutes ago when the stream just got taken down because of the music. So, unfortunately, no more music for now, Gango.
No more Fortnite.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Shinbubi?
What?
The 1 minute. You have it drawn out? Draw the 1 minute out from the bottom.
On what?
NQ, bro. What else?
From the Lolo?
Yes, the original one we had marked.
Oh, 744?
Yes.
Dude, I was telling you.
That was the one I wanted.
No, wasn't I telling you 45.5 before? And then obviously when you moved it down, it was that same level, bro. I was telling you, but I went 41 instead because I was scared of missing the fill. Fuck.
Yeah, I mean, it would have been fine either way. Like I mean, now you just don't have a entry. You could just whistle for us. Low-key, I can't whistle that loud, bro. Flaw of mine. So unfortunately, I couldn't make that work. Yeah, London is open. Not doing much, but it is open. I couldn't sleep and check the Discord. Can't believe you're up trading London session. I'm not trading New York tomorrow. Just because it's day before NFP. It's not really a day that I trade New York in. So that's the ish. So no live for New York tomorrow. No, I'm not gonna run live for New York tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna do anything. Highly doubt it does anything. Yeah, I'm only down $200 today. Not too shabby. I was up a lot on New York sesh, so makes up for it.
Bro, can we just get one banger play, please?
And a young step again entry, please.
No, can a young stab ahead of TP, please?
Well, I'm not in it, so
Bro, this is fucking gnarly, dude. Gnarly.
Watch this, guys. Watch this
Gnarly.
shit.
Watch
I'm
what?
running an experiment, bro. I just want you guys to watch this. I'm running an experiment. I want people to see what happens when you round trip and why I don't.
Are
Yeah,
you
trade
talking
every
on
night.
gold or are you looking at NQ?
NQ. I'm taking another trade, bro. I'm gonna catch another trade for sure. Ski.
I mean, it's not completely for sure. There's a high chance you don't catch another trade and we just continue down and you missed out because you got stopped out. But it's all good, bro.
See, the chances of that happening.
Pretty freaking high. I called my Jewish quant, so.
Maybe.
It's for sure long. Shinobi trust, bro. Let me trade my own shit, bro. If you want to take long, go for longs, bro. Stop trying to save me, bro. I didn't get here by not following my plan, you know? Let me do my thing, you do your thing.
He's going previous day high. At least. Confirm that for the 2-time and I'll do it. Hell nah, bro. Not confirming that for the 2-time. Why Asian session, bro? London is better. What'd you say?
Said I'm on to you, bro. You deafened and then you switched bias on me?
I didn't switch bias. I told you. Look. Okay, so you
Nah.
guys see this? This is why I don't round trip, right? This was the social experiment I wanted to run real quick. This is why I don't round trip.
Round trip what?
Even if it looks like it's gonna work,
10
it
points?
doesn't work, bro. I'm telling you. If my model like executes out of a 15-minute gap or hourly gap or whatever, and then it fails, and it comes back into the gap for a second time, that shit is not working out, gang. It's not working out. Trust.
Nah, dude. We were up.
So
we
there
were
you
up-
go. That
we were
that
up-
was the tape read I wanted to do, and
we
that
were,
trade there would be stopped as well, essentially.
we were up a full 11 points on NQ.
Are longs still possible on the inverse of 15-minute, or are we pretty much done for the day? No, longs are still possible. Holy fuck, what is NQ doing?
Yeah, what the
Longs are
fuck
still
is
for
going
sure
on?
possible.
Bro, longs.
I like
deafen
the
yourself.
longs. Okay, what I'll deafen myself.
Bro, these fucking longs and shorts are both getting. I was gonna say the R word. They're both getting fucked right now. At this current moment. I'm looking at this 1 minute. This is the weirdest 1 minute I've seen in my life. Because look at this. Look at how close we were to take it out this previous 4-hour low. We failed to get under that low. We failed to sweep it. And now, this was the previous 4-hour low. This is where we went to on the new 4-hour. Failed to sweep it. If we would have just swept it, I would have looked for longs. But the fact that we had a 15-minute fair value gap above and then we had these lows. That's why I was expecting market to continue down. So I'm expecting this is gonna probably stop me out since it's a fucking weird ass fucking thing. But yeah, let's see. Now you guys are good if you guys long. Don't feel sorry. We all have our own plans. We all follow our own lands. Yo, Wall
Stop
Forex, Wall Forex. Yo, bro, as you said, it's long. You're unprofitable, bro. Get out of here, bro. Show me a payout. Show me a band. I hate when motherfuckers come into streams and they're like, "Oh, I told you it was." Bro, show me a band and then we'll talk about it. Good boy,
Yes.
undeafening. Give it another 2 seconds.
Yeah,
there he
no,
is.
no,
I said give it another 2 seconds. Ah, there he goes. Bro, I've been on the stream for 2 weeks. I'm not talking about you, Nav. I was talking about Wall Forex, bro.
Yeah, it's always the Forex guys, bro. I have a
Yeah.
Forex hater in mind too.
Dude, he came in here.
He got absolutely liquidated, bro. That guy probably lost his
Bro,
entire net worth.
This guy, Wall Forex, came in here like he's like, I'm against your trade. And he said that, I think, when I was like an hour ago. And then out of nowhere, he's like, as I said, bro, it's long. I'm like, bro.
Sir, I need signal. Long NQ, short gold, and then go to sleep. No stop loss on either.
No, that fuck, where it left almost relative equal lows on the 4 hour on NQ pissed me off, bro. That's where they got me. They caught me slipping.
I hate that I have to sit here and wait another 11 minutes right now, bro, for this bullshit ass 15 minute to close.
Yeah.
So annoying.
To be honest, I'm gonna hop off my stream, and then I'm just gonna trade this account. I'm gonna trade it inside the Discord. And let me deafen. Guys, I'm gonna trade the rest inside the Discord. For some reason, today's stream vibes have just been off. Like since the beginning, like even when we were up to 500 on the 300 account, and I was up like a band. I should have never hopped back on stream. Like today's vibes are just mad off. So I'm gonna hop off and I'm just gonna trade it with the Discord. And then yeah, I'm gonna go from there. Your trial ended? That sucks, bro. To be honest, you should just buy it at that point. But yeah. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern as usual. Hopefully the vibes are up tomorrow. Like today's just been a shit day for me, bro. In terms of just like overall vibes. But yeah. I thought I would hop on stream and it'll be a little bit better. But bro. Fucking stream was weird as shit today, bro. I have like these randoms coming in. Like, who the fuck is Wall Forex, bro? But yo, guys, I'm going to see you guys inside the Discord. I might do it with the free chat. I don't know. I'm going to post the alerts in there if I take anything. But to be honest, I'm trying to watch a TV show while I trade. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. I'll see you guys then. We streamed like 5 hours today. So hopefully you guys made some money during the beginning of the stream. If you guys lost money towards the end, that's my bad. But I mean, I'm not perfect. I'm going to have losing trades. I'm going to have trades that don't do well. But at the end of the day, remember, my stop loss is 10 points. You like, even though we're down $500 on here. And we're down like $40 on this account. So overall, we're not down that much. But yeah, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.